A small toy train embarks on an adventurous journey approaching a shadowy tunnel that seems daunting at first. But as it enters the darkness, fireflies begin to illuminate the path, giving the train newfound courage as it bravely moves forward. As the little train exits the tunnel, it finds itself in a beautiful meadow where flowers bloom in vivid colors and the sun shines brightly. It realizes that facing its fear of the dark tunnel not only made it stronger, but also led to a breathtaking adventure filled with joy and beauty.